This is another video of one of the passive moves, which is you're working on somebody else. It's called sliding on the back, and it is knees bent, this one, and you're going to be rhythmically pushing from the knees towards the head. So I'll show you a few different ways that you can do that. So just angle the video down here, see if you can hopefully see me okay. So you can either work with your hands behind the knee like this, and you're gently putting the feet straight. Everything has to be symmetrical, all the knees and everything have to be in alignment, and you're just going to gently push forward, sort of with your hands, you know, almost like under or on top of the kneecap. And again, you're looking for movement of the whole body and the whole head. Another way of doing it is pushing backwards. So you can put your hands here on the other side of the knee, just above the knee, and almost like you're pulling backwards and seeing that the body is moving rhythmically, that the head is actually going up and down. And again, you start these very gently, slowly, by even 20 seconds, looking for signs that the person's getting overstimulated. And another way of doing it, if that doesn't work, is putting your hands actually underneath and behind and under the knees and the tops of the calves, and pulling the person towards you. But then he's gone a bit pink, so we'll stop there.